That $6 can of WD-40 sitting quietly in your garage isn't just a lubricant. It's a secret weapon that could be saving you thousands in car repairs. But here's the shocking truth. 9 out of 10 people are using it completely wrong. From stopping rust before it eats your car alive to fixing hidden engine problems mechanics don't want you to know about, WD-40 has insanely clever uses that go way beyond what's on the label. Stick around till the end, because the last hack could literally save your engine from a catastrophic breakdown and your wallet from a nightmare repair bill. This is one video every car owner needs to see. Let's get started. Trick 15. The Rust Prevention Method. Think WD-40 is just for squeaky hinges? Your car's metal components face constant assault from moisture, salt, and the elements. Rust never stops working. Those chrome bumpers, exhaust tips, and wheel wells are magnets for corrosion, slowly turning your vehicle into a rust bucket nobody wants. WD-40 becomes your rust-fighting solution when applied correctly. Spray it on exposed metal, door hinges, hood latches, chrome trim, and exhaust components to create a protective barrier that repels moisture and prevents corrosion. The formula penetrates microscopic pores in the metal, displacing water and leaving a thin protective film. Professional detailers rely on this technique because prevention costs far less than restoration. A few minutes of spraying every couple of months can save you hundreds in chrome polishing or thousands in bodywork. That protective layer also makes future cleaning easier since dirt can't bond to the surface as effectively. Prevention beats repair every single time. Wait until you see this diagnostic trick that even experienced mechanics keep quiet. Trick 14. Vacuum leak detection. Ever had your engine idle roughly or throw random check engine lights? A sneaky vacuum leak could be destroying your air-fuel ratio and murdering your gas mileage. WD-40 becomes your diagnostic tool with this simple trick. With the engine running, spray it near vacuum hoses and connections. If the idle suddenly changes, you found your leak. The spray gets sucked in and temporarily seals the gap, giving instant confirmation without expensive equipment. Professional mechanics have used this technique for decades because, unlike carburetor cleaner, WD-40 won't ignite. It's safe around plastic sensors and won't damage components. That $6 can just save you a $150 diagnostic fee and potentially thousands in engine damage. Most people never think to try this approach. Now here's something you see daily, but probably never think to clean. Trick 13. License plate restoration. Years of road grime, UV rays, and salt have probably faded your license plate from crisp to barely readable. In some states, an unreadable plate means a $50 ticket waiting to happen. WD-40 can make your plate look roadworthy again instantly. The formula lifts built-up grease, dirt, and rust from the edges, giving your plate a cleaner appearance without sanding or repainting. The technique: remove the plate, wash it with warm water and dish soap, then finish with WD-40 and a microfiber cloth. Don't expect factory new reflective shine. This is cosmetic touch-up, not full restoration. For less than a gas station sandwich, it's one of the fastest ways to improve your car's appearance and avoid an unexpected fine. Something so simple that takes 1 minute could save you from getting pulled over. Wait until you see what this next trick does to your tires. Trick 12. Tire sidewall treatment. Your tires take constant abuse, and those sidewalls show every mile. Faded, cracked, and dull rubber makes even the nicest car look neglected. Most people spend $20 on fancy tire shine products. WD-40 can revive those sidewalls for a fraction of the cost. Rinse and scrub them to remove loose dirt. Once completely dry, spray a light coat of WD-40 onto the sidewalls, never the treads, as that creates a dangerous slipping hazard. Let it sit for a few seconds, then wipe with a clean cloth. Your tires instantly look darker, shinier, and newer. WD-40 also helps protect against cracking and UV damage, keeping your rubber in better condition longer. The treatment lasts weeks, not days like some tire dressings. Critical reminder: sidewalls only, never the treads. You want grip on the road, not a one-way ticket to disaster. Looking good is great, but staying safe is better. Now prepare yourself for this electrical system game changer that could save you thousands. Trick 11. Electrical connection protection. Electrical problems are silent killers in the automotive world. One day, everything's fine. The next, you're facing a $700 bill for a corroded connector. Many failures start small, just moisture sneaking into connectors. WD-40 earns its reputation here. The name stands for water displacement, so it was literally designed to push moisture out of sensitive components. A light spray on clean, powered-off terminals creates a protective barrier that stops corrosion before it starts. The professional move. Upgrade to WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner for delicate electronics. It dries quickly, leaves no residue, and removes over 95% of common surface contaminants. Perfect for battery terminals, switches, and circuit boards. That thin protective layer could save you from a $1,000 plus wiring harness replacement. Smart money protects your car's electrical system because when it fails, your wallet feels the pain. If you've made it this far, click that like button. We've done extensive research and would appreciate it. We have 10 more WD-40 tricks that will shock you and save you money. Trick 10. Weather stripping preservation. Ever yank on your car door in winter and feel like you're opening a bank vault? That's your rubber seals quietly failing. When they deteriorate, the damage doesn't stop at a stuck door. Cracked weather stripping lets water infiltrate your cabin, leading to soaked carpets, fried electronics, mold growth, and floor panel rot. If water reaches under dash wiring, you're looking at repair bills exceeding $2,000, damage that could have been prevented. The solution? WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray. Unlike regular WD-40, which contains petroleum that can dry out rubber, this formula keeps seals soft, flexible, and water-resistant. A quick spray every few months keeps your door sealing properly and opening smoothly, even in freezing temperatures. Don't just spray and forget. Wipe off excess with a clean cloth. That thin, even coat repels moisture and prevents sticking. The result? Quiet cabin, dry floors, no mildew, and hundreds saved before damage begins. Now imagine this next hack literally saving your paint job from permanent damage. Trick 9. Tree sap removal. You discover a sticky blob on your hood. Tree sap. It's not just ugly, it's chemically eating through your clear coat. Most people start scraping and scrubbing, turning a small problem into a paint disaster. WD-40 becomes your paint-saving solution. Its solvent base softens hardened sap without harsh scrubbing, letting you gently wipe it away before it bakes in and causes permanent damage. The technique: cool surface, spray directly on the sap, let it sit for 2 minutes, then gently wipe with a microfiber cloth. Follow up with soap and water to remove residue, then apply fresh wax. You just avoided a $500 polishing job or $2,000 repaint. Critical warning: always wash the area afterward and never let WD-40 sit in direct sunlight. Used correctly, it's your affordable defense against nature's paint assassin. Trick 8. Rust penetrant for seized bolts. There's nothing quite like the sound of a wrench slipping off a rusted bolt. If you've ever sheared one off mid-repair, you know that's not just frustrating. It's expensive. Broken bolts mean extra labor, drilling, and sometimes replacing the entire part. Enter WD-40 Specialist Penetrant. In controlled tests, bolts requiring significant force to loosen required far less after applying WD-40. The secret is capillary action. It seeps deep into tight threads and rusted seams, breaking corrosion from the inside out. Clean the area first, spray directly into the threads, and try loosening within minutes. Some prefer letting it soak, but this formula works best when you act quickly before it evaporates. A few dollars and a little patience can save you from a $300 mechanic visit or worse, damaging something irreplaceable. This next one will make your chrome shine like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Trick 7. Chrome restoration. If you've spent hours trying to bring dull chrome back to life, you know it's either a weekend project or there's a shortcut. There's definitely a shortcut, and it comes in a blue can. WD-40's blend of light oils and cleaning agents cuts through road grime, water spots, and stubborn tar without harsh abrasives. Spray it on, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and watch that chrome gleam. It's gentle enough not to scratch, but strong enough to remove surface rust and baked-on debris. WD-40 multi-use product is safe on your vehicle's paint and leaves behind a protective layer that slows future rust formation. For the cost of a single can, it beats buying multiple polishing compounds and drastically cuts cleaning time. This next hack could literally get your car running again after it refuses to start. Trick 6. Flooded engine revival. You hit a deep puddle, get caught in a storm, or power wash the engine bay too enthusiastically. Now your car won't start. Before calling for a tow, remember what WD-40 was designed for: water displacement. Moisture in your ignition system can shut everything down, but a targeted spray on distributor caps, coil packs, and spark plug wires can push that moisture out and get you running again. Safety first. Make sure the engine is off and cool. Disconnect the battery, then spray WD-40 on wet ignition components. Give it a minute. Reconnect everything and try starting. Most of the time, you'll hear the difference immediately. This won't fix major flood damage, but for light moisture issues, it's a lifesaver that can spare you from a tow bill, diagnostic fees, or being stranded with an electrical malfunction. Now here's where people start making expensive mistakes. Trick 5. The scratch fix that ruins everything. You've probably seen this online. Spray WD-40 on a car scratch and watch it magically disappear. For about 5 minutes, it looks like it works. That oily film fills the scratch just enough to fool your eyes under certain lighting. The brutal truth: WD-40 doesn't remove scratches. It masks them temporarily while creating a bigger problem. That greasy residue attracts dust and dirt. Over time, buildup wears down your clear coat, dulls your paint, and can cause permanent discoloration. People who tried this hack ended up needing full paint corrections or complete repaints costing $300 to over $3,000. Instead of optical illusions, grab a proper scratch repair kit from Meguiar's or Turtle Wax, products actually designed for paint correction. WD-40 is amazing for hundreds of applications, but using it as a paint magician leads straight to expensive regrets. Sometimes the easy way out is actually the expensive way in. Here's a genius hack that prevents battery problems before they strand you. Trick 4. Battery terminal protection. You pop the hood and see white crusty buildup on your battery terminals. That's corrosion, and left alone, it leads to weak starts, electrical glitches, or a completely dead battery at the worst possible moment. The fix is simple, and WD-40 helps prevent future problems. Disconnect the negative terminal. Clean everything with a wire brush and baking soda solution, then dry thoroughly. Once spotless, spray a light coat of WD-40 on the terminals before reconnecting. This creates a moisture-resistant barrier that slows oxidation and keeps corrosion from returning. It also makes future cleanups easier since gunk can't bake into the metal. This simple trick can add years to your battery life and save you from premature replacements. Your car will actually start when you need it to. Revolutionary concept, right? Sometimes the best problems are the ones you prevent. This next mistake is so dangerous, it could literally kill you. Trick 3. The brake contamination catastrophe. It sounds ridiculous, but people actually spray WD-40 on their brakes, thinking it'll stop squeaking or remove rust. Let me be crystal clear. Spraying WD-40 on brake components isn't maintenance. It's attempted vehicular manslaughter with yourself as the victim. Your brakes depend on friction to stop your car. WD-40 is a lubricant. See the problem? You're literally reducing your ability to stop. That residue soaks into brake pads, contaminates surfaces, and leaves a greasy film that doesn't just squeak, it slips. At best, you'll lose stopping power. At worst, total brake failure while driving. Even catching the mistake early means replacing contaminated pads and rotors, costing $300 to $500 per axle. Damage calipers or lines, and that climbs past $1,000 quickly. If your brakes need cleaning, use proper brake cleaner. Even WD-40 makes one under their specialist line. Fast drying, residue-free, and made specifically for high-friction systems. Your brakes literally keep you alive. Don't gamble with shortcuts. Here's a silent killer that destroys your car's heart. Trick 2. The engine destruction warning. This isn't a hack. It's a warning that could save your engine from catastrophic failure. Some people actually pour WD-40 into their oil filler cap or add it to fuel, thinking it works like a miracle engine treatment. This is engine suicide. WD-40 is not engine oil. It's a solvent that evaporates quickly, offers zero thermal protection, and provides no actual lubrication where it counts. Engine oil manages heat, prevents metal-on-metal wear, and suspends contaminants under extreme pressure and temperature. Using WD-40 inside your engine can cause overheating, bearing failure, oil starvation, piston seizure, or complete engine collapse. That mistake costs $3,000 to $10,000 plus in repairs. WD-40 is also flammable in a hot engine environment. Use WD-40 around your engine all you want, on bolts, hoses, connectors, external components, but never inside the block. Your engine is your car's heart. Don't give it a chemical heart attack. Now here's the hack that saves windshields from expensive damage. Bonus tip: wiper blade protection. Wiper blades are completely ignored until they screech across your windshield during a thunderstorm. A lot of that noise comes from dried out rubber that can actually scratch your glass over time. WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray can prevent that damage. Lift the blades, clean them with a damp cloth, then apply a light mist directly onto the rubber. Wipe off excess, leaving flexible, water-resistant blades far less likely to crack or split. The bonus: it reduces squeaking and dragging, meaning less wear on your windshield itself. A damaged blade can leave tiny scratches requiring professional polishing or glass replacement, costing $300 to $1,000 depending on your vehicle. Instead of buying new blades every season or gambling with visibility during storms, a 10-second spray keeps them working longer and protects your glass. When it's pouring rain and you can't see the road, proper wipers aren't just convenient, they're life-saving. This next one prevents costly door problems before they happen. Trick 1. Door hinge preservation strategy. If your car door creaks, pops, or feels heavier than it used to, that's not your imagination. Your door hinges are starting their slow march toward failure. Every open and close puts stress on those joints, and without proper lubrication, they corrode and wear down. Left unchecked, you could end up with a door that won't close properly or starts to sag. A few seconds with WD-40 makes a huge difference. Spray the hinge pivot points where metal rubs against metal, then open and close the door several times to work it in. This cuts friction, flushes out grit, and prevents rust from forming inside the moving parts. Don't blast it and walk away. Wipe off excess with a clean cloth so it doesn't drip onto your paint or attract dirt. There you have it. 15 WD-40 hacks that could save you thousands. Which one shocked you most? Comment down below. Did you know there are car secrets that can prevent $4,000 in car repairs? Click this video. You won't regret it. Like and subscribe.